How to turn off liquid glass on iPhone. So iPhones have this feature, as you see here, it's liquid glass, but if you don't want to have this on anymore, it's really easy to turn off. So what you should do is go ahead and click and hold an empty space on your iPhone. So go ahead and click and hold. You're going to get some options here, and you want to go to the edits button at the top left-hand corner here, and you just want to go and hit customize. So once you're here, it's defaulted to clear, but what you can do is go to default or dark. So we can go to default, and this brings you back to the regular settings of your iPhone, how the apps usually look. You can go ahead and hit dark. You can go ahead and hit clear again, and then you can go through other options of that as well. But let's just go back to the default settings, and you can hit the little sun icon right above there as well to make it a little darker, maybe a little bit brighter. And then you can also take away the fonts of the apps by hitting the app sizes on the far right corner if you don't want the actual titles or the names of the apps there. So what you can do to somewhat get rid of that still liquid glass look, because if you're going to look at your drop-down menu here, it still kind of has that strange liquid-ish glass to it, and you can kind of get rid of it. So go ahead to your settings, and you want to go down to accessibility here, and then you want to go to display and text. So it won't get rid of it completely, but what you can do is go to the reduce transparency and go ahead and click that on. It's going to improve your contrast by reducing transparency and blurs on some of the backgrounds. And then what you can do is go ahead and increase contrast right below it. And as you see, everything got a lot sharper. So those are two ways to get rid of your liquid glass on your iPhone. Basically, it's very simple to do. You click and hold, go to edit, go to customize, and make it the way you want them to look.